Hello guys and welcome back into new brand new video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download shaders for Minecraft. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically downloading shaders for Minecraft is easy. All you need to do is to search for some shaders pack on the internet. So all you need to do is just to type shaders for Minecraft or shaders pack for Minecraft and just type Minecraft and you will have multiple websites who just provide some shaders. So you can go to any websites that you would like. It can be the CurseForge, it can be the Minecraft shaders or any website that you would like. After that, let's just agree for the cookies and here you can just search for any shaders that you would like to try and make sure that it supports like the version of Minecraft that you are using. So for example, let's just go for this one and let's click on it. And as you can see, this is some shaders for Minecraft 1.12 to shader Minecraft 1.16. So basically, those are some older version. You can like just see it in other websites or anywhere you would like to have your own shaders. So for example, we can use these shaders for 120. We click on it, we go down and search for the link, the download links, and uh, those are the download links. You click on any link that you would like. For example, we can go for this one or any one, and we will wait for the download to start. I'm just going to click download, and here we have our shader pack. Now we need to install it in our Minecraft, so I'm just going to start my T launcher here where I have my Minecraft, and if you have any other launcher you can have the same steps. So basically we wait for Minecraft to set up and start, and basically make sure that you are using the Optifine mode on your version, and I'm just going to enter the game. And basically now Minecraft is starting to start up. So now all we need to do is to wait for the game to begin and start up so we can add our shaders. So here in the startup menu, we will need just to go to the option. So let's wait, let's just go back to Word, cancel. Here we want to go to the settings or option. We click on it. Then we need just to go to video settings so you can be able to add shaders. We click on shaders, and as you can see here, those are all the shaders pack. I click on shader by mistake, so we need just the game to restart. So basically here you will need just to click on shaders folder. You search where you downloaded your shader. So basically I have it on the desktop, the one that I have, and let's just drag it down. So we're just going to drag it here, and we are going to have our shaders that we will be added. So let's as you can see, our shaders has been added. Let's search again, let's go back, and we just drag and drop and wait for the shader to open or to be added on our game. And basically you can also try like clicking on the shaders folder and then just drag this zip here and move it to the shaders folder, and it will be added as you can see. So basically now you can start your game and you will have your shaders that will be installed and downloaded, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.